I don't feel like the dryer's on me.
You're fine, girl.
What are you doing?
My armpits got sweaty.
The armpits got sweaty? Wow. Yes, yeah, okay. Here we go. Are you ready?
Do you want to brush it before we start?
Do you want to dry your pits a little bit more before we start? Because you're nervous as hell to do my Shayla's channel. Take one.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen Atkin, celebrity hairstylist, owner of the way.
Are you okay?
Boss, entrepreneur, boom.
And I'm a bad bitch named Shayla. Get to know me.
That was good. I love that. No, but really, you guys, welcome Jen to my channel.
Do you have people on your channel?
Like
Did you ever
subscribers?
I mean, I know you did a video with Sir John, but you do a lot of like collab videos, or not really?
I've done like 3 or 4.
You did one with Katie.
Katie, Sir John, Les.
Do you like doing collab videos? Not really.
You're making so much eye contact with me right now.
Sorry. Oh my god, I should be looking at the people. Shayla, do you like doing? I'm learning.
No, you're supposed to look at me. You're just like really intense because you're not on your phone anymore.
I know. The whole thing.
No, I love collabing. I love it.
Shayla, do you usually like to collab with people?
Stop! We have to tell them why you said that because can you tell us about your whole
Oh no!
not
it's
using the internet?
Video.
Okay, we'll talk about that later.
I did a digital detox. Try it. It did it for 7 days, and now I don't like to be on my phone.
And she's like shaming me for like being on my phone.
Not shaming. I'm guiding you to
Bullying.
a different
Bullying is the word.
State of mind.
Okay, so today's video is gonna be kind of fun. I hope.
It's gonna be so fun.
Okay, so what is this called? Fuck up your
Fuck
Friday?
up your friend. It's fuck up your friend Fridays.
Okay, and so what does that mean? Because I've never done that before.
Okay, so Desi and I did this.
Okay.
And basically, it was my idea to put this wheel together of crazy
Show me the wheel.
hairstyles.
Yeah, show me the wheel.
And I brought it here today. And this is just a fuck up your friend Friday wheel. And so we're gonna play like a roulette, and you're just gonna like see what it lands on.
And then I'm gonna do your hair based off that look.
And I'm gonna do your makeup. Wish us luck, guys.
I think it's actually scary that you're gonna be doing my makeup and not the other way around. I feel like I can do some things, you know?
I'm really nervous about it, I'll be honest with you, but I'm excited to do your makeup. I feel like I'm gonna actually kill it.
I hope so.
I think we're gonna do good. The other thing is,
go.
we both have plans tonight, so we better fucking figure it out.
Ah! Okay,
it's
so
gonna be fun.
What do we have to do? Spin the wheel? What are we doing?
Okay, here's the thing. I wanted to surprise you, but I brought some old glam photos of you that I would like to show while we're doing this process.
Okay.
Guys, and
I'm like nervous.
Okay, I'm gonna try so hard to not be a backseat driver, and I'm just gonna let you do hair and just
Okay.
let you do whatever feels creative and right to you, but just don't burn me. That's my only thing.
It's only happened a couple times, fine.
Okay. You burned yourself or burned other people?
Other people.
Okay, well, I have health insurance. So we're doing a 90s inspired glam sesh today. I'm super excited about this. We've got...
Wait, can you say who made this wheel again?
Okay, so my team helped
Humble
make
brag.
this wheel.
Boss. I told you guys she's a boss.
I just work here. So we have a little bit of Xtina on here, some Brittany. We have Brandy. We've got, who's that? Oh my god, that's the girl from Fresh Prince. She's so cute.
Ashley Banks.
She's so cute.
I know
forgot
that
about
show.
Ashley Banks. We got some Janet, some J-Lo. We got some Tyra, some Cindy, and then Kristen Dunst. This is perfect. So we are going to play, oh my god, I'm so nervous actually. I just got nervous right now. I do have plans tonight, so don't make it crazy. Okay, so here we go. Fuck up your friend. Should I do it?
Yeah, you spin it and then...
Sorry, I'm talking to my team.
Oh.
Guys, should I do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Humble flex. You guys, there's only like 50 people here. She
By the
needs
way,
every one of them.
I'm not even talking about the car you showed up in today. Anyways, okay, so ready?
It's a rental, girl.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. Wheel of Glam. I'm so excited.
Wait, you gotta wait. Nope.
What are you
nope,
doing? I want
nope.
to see what.
Oh.
You're not gonna show
nope,
me?
Nope. You have
You're
to guess
joking.
it. So I'm gonna do the look.
You swear not. Did you guys plan this?
No. You listen. I'm gonna do the look. You have to guess which one it is.
You're
Boom.
Kidding. Oh my god. So I don't even find out till the end. My team is shocked.
Wait. Look that way real quick. I have to show them.
I'm so
Ah!
nervous. No.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Let's get this
Oh my god.
show on the road.
Let's get the show on the road. I'm so scared. Shayla, guess what? I have a surprise for you. I brought an assistant with me.
Hi.
So Amanda's here to help you.
Say hi to the people.
Amanda's here to help you.
Okay.
So whatever you need. And Amanda, please don't let her burn me. Okay.
I'm a little nervous right now.
Oh my
I'm not
gosh.
gonna
Oh
lie.
my god.
Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna part the hair in the center.
Ah!
Here.
I have such a tender head though. But my hair is clean. I'm growing it out. It's kind of in an in-between shape. That's how you get a center part.
Isn't that what
You
you're
just
supposed to do?
scratched my nose. That's good. Wow, you really nailed it. Wait, I get so jealous of you because you get to have different hair all the time.
Oh my god, like your head's not straight or something.
What? Well, it's not the comb and it's not my head. There you
Boom,
go.
okay. So do you usually brush people's hair or what do you do
Oh
here?
God.
Like,
So we're starting there.
Yeah, we're just
You want to
gonna-
know how to brush hair?
Is this
Because,
normal?
but the thing is, if I know what it is, then I can help.
No.
This is so relaxing so far.
I've never braided anyone's hair, so I'm
Ever?
kind of just like...
Oh my God, your nails. I have the most sensitive head ever.
Is that her?
No, it's great.
You're like the worst client ever, jeez,
I know.
right?
I hate getting my hair and my makeup done, so what's
Okay,
funny
wait.
is that we do this, and I hate it every time.
Okay, so I'm gonna braid this.
Am I guessing what this is?
Oh, you look. Okay, I'm doing it right, I hope. Okay, good. Does that hurt?
No, it feels great. It's super relaxing. Okay, wait, so Shayla, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I feel good. I got the first braid in, so I
I'm
feel
already
pretty
into
good.
what we're doing, actually. You're doing really good.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. Hold up, Shayla, you ripped a clip out of my hair that really didn't
Oh, did it
feel great.
hurt?
Yeah, I felt.
Sorry, girl.
I just heard hair ripping from my head.
You know, sometimes you just gotta take the pain.
Yeah, no, I'm taking it. I should have taken an Abbott before we started filming. By the way, how many hair videos do you do? Do you do a lot of hair videos?
This is my first or second hair
Swear?
video. Yep,
Wow,
kind of an expert.
I'm honored. I probably should have asked you that before I said let's shoot together. Okay, so here's the sitch. I brought some of your greatest hits, some glam looks
Oh, God.
that I need some explanations about, and I grabbed these from
Oh,
your
God.
Instagram.
Are you about to roast me? Is that what's happening here?
No, not a roast. I just have some questions. No joke, you guys. Obviously, you follow Shayla, so you guys know how glam and amazing she is. She's had some moments. There's been some moments in the past. And I will say this, she still looks beautiful in these pictures, which is annoying. But you just went through some phases that I need to talk about.
Okay. Oh, God.
Also,
This is so nice having an assistant here. Wow.
isn't it great?
Yeah, thank you.
Don't try to steal her.
And I'm like,
Don't try to steal her. Wow, you guys are scheming behind my back. All right. First up, are you ready for this, Shayla?
yes. And
I'll show the people first.
okay.
We'll insert this in.
That's not that bad.
Okay, not that bad?
I mean,
Let's explain these shoes.
I know those shoes are.
The shoes, Shayla, the shoes.
You know where I got those? Downtown LA, the alley. We'll just put this here for a second.
You got them in Santee Alley?
Yeah, Santee Alley.
Damn. What year was this, do you think? And where were you going?
I was thought and bopping back then.
You were the Thought and Boppin' conference
You know
right
what?
here.
I feel like you're so tender. You need like a black girl to do your hair one time.
Honestly,
Because you will not be tender after that.
Jesus Christ. I felt that in my gut. Oh, Shayla,
Have you ever worn clip-ins before?
like for Halloween, this is what it feels like. It feels secure though. I will
Inches,
give you
honey.
that.
Inches.
Hey, what about Thought and Boppin'? Shayla,
Oh my
you
god.
gotta talk to me about this.
Oh, okay,
Talk to me
so
about this.
I have to explain this.
Okay.
I was out there thought and bopping,
Uh-huh.
being very single,
Very
very single.
glossy, your body. Like that side boob, it's got all the grease on it. I love it.
I think I just got my boobs done too, so.
Oh, wow.
I was
Okay.
like trying to show them all off. But I think someone told me to do like a blonde wig like that, and I just went with it. But
I'm not
I look
mad at it,
crazy.
though.
No, I look in person. That wig was like sitting way up here. Okay,
Really? It was kind of crazy.
it was bad.
But I
You
like
would-
that heavy bang on you.
You know
got
what? I
the
like
cheekbones
a,
for it.
Yeah, I like a bang too. It just like
Also, are you wearing Hervé Leger? Or is that Bebe?
House of Sebe.
It's House of Sebe? Oh my god, and what are your shoes? Lubies?
Oh, actually, those were Louboutins.
Those are
I think
really
those were my
pretty.
friends I borrowed. Honestly.
First of all, this era though, you guys, it's so funny how everyone was rocking Louboutins and they hurt so
Yeah, they
much.
hurt.
Like I have so many Louboutins that I bought and I literally have worn like 2 or 3 times because they just hurt at the end of the day. Okay.
I'm trying to curl this quick. I've seen Jen work, and she's like,
Yeah, because I fast forward my videos.
"Oh, you do?" But
You
I saw this
can't-
in person.
You know what I would just say, Shayla, is that to make sure that like the curl's gonna stay intact, just count to 10.
Usually, what I do is I
Not
wait.
like one Mississippi. Should I turn so people can see what she's doing?
Okay, so typically, you guys, when you're doing someone's hair, you want to turn the heat all the way up.
No,
okay?
you don't.
And then when you see it sizzle.
If it's extension.
And you hear it go zzz, that's when you let go.
Okay.
And then boom, look at that.
Boom. How does it look?
Looks like the picture.
I really trust you a lot. Are you giving me this look? Shayla circa, what year was this?
Girl, that was the past. That was like, oopsies. That was like
Oopsies.
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, something fell off. I don't know.
What the hell is oopsies?
That was extension, right? Down there?
Amanda?
I don't know. Some hair like burned.
Amanda, your job and your life are on the line here.
It's okay.
We're not trying to get a viral video with my hair burning off.
I'm hiring, so.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, look at
I can
that.
hear you both.
That one looks good.
Look at.
Okay, talk to me about this hair color. I'm confused.
Girl, I'm confused too.
Was
so
that like you just wanted a heavy root?
I wanted it to be black and orange. Obviously, I mean, come on now.
Okay.
I wanted an ombre.
Where were you?
I don't fucking know. Oh,
You were at the Grape Juice Uber
I was in
Virgin
Atlanta.
Hair Fantasy Party.
I was in Atlanta. That's how you know. That's Atlanta hair right there.
You still look pretty. It's annoying. And look
No,
at your
that's
bag. What shoes were these? Do you remember?
Mew Mew.
Oh wow.
Is that how you say it?
Mew.
Mew Mew?
Yeah.
That was like I think my first designer pair of shoes.
Well, I call this look meow meow.
Ooh.
Okay, Shayla, here we go. You are at the Cowboy Stadium Owners Club, okay? Because she's got friends.
I have friends in my
Who's got
business.
friends.
Thought about it.
You look pretty still, but tell me everything. What?
Oh my
what's
God.
happening here? Is it Super Bowl?
So that's no. Actually, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so that's
Are
like
you
my
against
first.
the backdrop, or are you actually at a football game?
No, I'm
It
actually-
kind of looks like you put yourself in this. It's photoshopped.
Yeah, I'm actually at a football game.
She's like front row at the football game.
Yeah, I think we snuck into that suite too.
That's
I'm
amazing.
not gonna tell you who I was with, but we were
Okay.
bopping.
Your makeup looks good. Do you remember that dress?
I think it's a top from like what BCBG that my friend let me borrow.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Wait, are you showing them? Yeah, we'll put a clip of there.
Yeah.
So look at my wig though. That was like one of my first wigs I've ever had, and it's like way up there. Do you see it?
Yeah, it looks like it's a little far out.
Wait, this is her real hair. Okay.
Wait, what? What's happening?
I just cut a little piece.
Just so you know, I'm growing my hair out and it's super healthy right now because I don't let people do it. So let's just keep that in mind as we're
Does it usually
birding
break
my
like
hair.
that or?
Wait, so this, okay.
Oh, look at how pretty your hair curls. Look at this, you
Oh
guys.
my god, I hate you.
No, it did. Look at it.
Really?
Yeah.
Shayla,
Okay.
boom. Can we talk about this? This is an epic, iconic moment. Tell me you were going to either the Grammys or the Met Ball.
I think I was going to the club.
That is a thought
Some
in a
rapper.
bobbin dress.
Yeah, some
Now, are
rappers.
those seashells or is it a flower detail?
You know, that's a custom dress from the alley.
Okay.
So
Swear.
I'm not quite.
Ah! Something really felt hot or pulled.
Sorry.
Oh.
You'll be fine. God.
Okay.
Okay, so if I keep it on for like 30 seconds like before, is it gonna burn how it did?
Oh my god.
Maybe like 20.
No, 10. 10, 10, 10.
I'm just kidding, I didn't burn your hair.
Wait, let's talk about this dress. I need to know, you had this custom made in Santee Alley?
No, actually, I think some girl it's like from her boutique. I don't know where I got that dress.
I mean, I can't, do you still have this dress?
Heck no.
Stop.
Oh my god, I can't even believe I was wearing that. Like,
Well,
it's
your
all
makeup looks
see-through.
good, and your nails are like,
Oh my god, the wig.
you're really show. Where were you going with
Look
this
at the
look?
wig though. I was going to the club, girl. I was single, don and bopping.
I'm not mad at this wig. I think you look like this wig is literally my hair right now.
I
What's
think
wrong with it?
there's a little bit more volume at the top of mine.
Oh, ouch.
Yeah. No, but like in
You're
the
actually
worst
right.
way.
Oh.
Yeah. Like that's called the wig isn't sitting on the head.
How are you feeling so far?
I feel really confident.
Do you feel bad for me because doing hair is so hard? Ish.
I mean, it's hard when you have clients that complain the whole time.
Amanda, how's it going back there so far?
It looks
Like
good.
this.
Okay, so for my channel, I'm gonna do your makeup. We're gonna spin the wheel again. I'm gonna do your makeup and then you brought pictures of me?
Don't look. Close your eyes real quick.
Okay. You're like, close your eyes. I have hot tools all around you.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
1 second.
Is it your pits again?
Yes, girl.
What's going on?
Hold on. Close your eyes.
Oh, they're closed. I feel like you're judging me.
Well, actually, I'm trying. Close your eyes.
Ah, okay.
You know what? Next time I'm gonna hit you with this.
Okay. I promise. I'll keep my eyes closed.
Okay.
I did this with Ariel. We did a video where he lied to me the entire video and was doing what I thought was like a natural look. and then he really like just beat my face. It was amazing. Okay, what part of these early
Wait.
2000s hairstyles is this? What's going on? Okay, what's happening? Hair definitely just got caught in something. Ah!
It's fine.
Okay, in my own home.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, no, they're closed. Trust me. Are
Open.
you done?
Open.
Like, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm supposed to guess who this was?
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god. Oh wait, I have one more look of yours.
Okay, nope.
Shit.
I'm ready. Wait, hold
Okay.
on.
Are we ready though?
It's like so pretty. I just can't. Boom.
Oh my god! I'm Jenny for the vlog! Please shut up right now. This is hysterical. I've never felt stronger. I feel really like I feel like I'm from the Bronx. I'm just Jenny from the Bronx. I'm on the 6. I'm going to the dance studio.
I kind of did it. I kind of did the damn thing.
Yeah, you did it.
Look at that.
What is it? Is this what it feels like to be a real girl? Wow, I'm thought and bopping all the way to like, I feel like I should work at Universal Studios right now.
Yeah, as
on
J-Lo.
a ride.
As
I
J-Lo.
mean, as J-Lo.
Yeah.
This is great. Could I be an impersonator on a cruise ship of J-Lo? You
Don't
really did it.
sweating.
Whoa, you're really sweaty. You're really sweaty. You're really sweaty. You guys, if you want to go, oh, this is your channel. Sorry.
Yeah, like, can I talk? Okay,
Okay.
I'm just gonna go like this. Okay. Listen, we did a collab video on Jen's channel. You guys have to check it out. What should we have them do? What do you guys think of this look? I
Did
feel like I
J-Lo
nailed
have
it.
braids that were just hanging like this?
She did. Look at
Guys.
the picture. Yeah, they're hanging.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, they were hanging.
Yeah. I
Damn.
pretty much nailed it.
I feel like I should go and put on a white tank top. This is amazing. Okay, Shayla.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow Jen at Jen Atkin. Jen Atkin everywhere. Way. Okay, this is her shit right here.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Can we talk about something though?
What?
Like, I have to go out tonight.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Like, this is. Okay.
I feel like you're just gonna be the talk of
Also,
the town.
what happens when I put one side back?
You don't do that. What are you doing?
What happens when this
You
comes
just-
out?
you just hide
didn't
it.
blend those extensions all the way.
Listen, you just go like this.
Did I run out of weave? How many
You know what?
bundles? How many bundles did I actually?
You don't deserve me.
How many
You know what?
bundles? How many bundles did I actually?
You don't deserve me.
Wow, you really don't. Shayla, this was an honor. Can I get my bandana back? I
No.
feel like I'm bald.
You don't deserve it.
Oh.
Thank you guys so much.
Thanks, Shayla.
I know, sorry, I'm a little sweaty.
This is-
Subscribe,
Wow.
comment.
All right, Shayla's up next, guys. Go to my channel.
Yes. Check out the video we did. This
Fuck
is
up
fun.
your friends Friday.
Period. Who are you? I mean, it's kind of
I
obvious.
am
Look just
Johnny Depp in Pirates of the Caribbean.
We're rolling by the
Or should I show my hair looking good first?
Is that how it usually looks, or?
I hate you. I'm working out. I'm in between. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to Shayla's channel. For you just turning in,
We already did the intro, remember?
You are
I've evolved.
a legend, an icon, and you give everybody hope that, listen, it gets better. Don't worry, do whatever you need to do.
Like, why did I wear yellow?
With whatever she wanted to do. I've been touched by Shayla.
Hashtag sponsored.
Wait, why didn't we have you? We should have showed your pics before you did this.
I know. I know.
They were pretty wet.
Yeah, they
Okay.
were wet. I'm a
You
thick
know what?
girl.
I'll actually show you. I have a deodorant stain. Can you see it on camera? Yeah, because Shayla just fucked it
I know,
up.
I just feel like you need to brush it
Fuck
or
up your
something.
friend Friday. No, you don't. This is me.
Do you believe in
That's
air?
not what that's for.
Are you here to air?
Are you looking at the cold shot button?
Yes.
I have a deodorant
No,
stain
no one
here.
can see that. Like, nobody can see that.
gonna show a wet spot. I'm like, definitely.
I need some Starbucks money. I need those coins.
Starbucks, call us.